Hello and welcome to the channel. Lily season is well on its way. Every day new cultivars are opening. So lovely lilies. Asiatics are in bloom, and also some double ones. And you can see virus infection in the flowers. So, well, it's part of lily growing. So this one is tribal dance. I really like it. This one is Pink County, and this one is Red Highland. This one is Snowdon. These are all very nice varieties. I like them. Strawberry event is flowering, and the pearl cultivars are also flowering. Pearl Justine and the Pearl Francis. This is Pearl Francis. And Pink Flight, and this is also very virus infected lily. And some lilies. So they're looking nice. Very nice. Also the first trumpets are opening, so I really like that. This is my cultivar, and this is also my cultivar. I named it after my sister. This is also my cultivar, and this is also my cultivar. So they look nice. And of course these are all seedlings of mine, and they will bloom. Excuse me. The grass is flowering, and I'm allergic to this grass, so hay fever, you know. So this is a trumpet seedling, and it started to open. It looks okay. And the candidums are still blooming. And the cherries are ripening, sour cherries, so we're going to pick them later today. Ooh, this grass is flowering very much. So dwarf Asiatics are also opening. And the TAs are looking great. Kesla with the nice bud placement. And this is white cocotte, yellow cocotte, and orange cocotte, Trezor, and the LAs. Lots of LA hybrids. And Nashville. It's a lovely tetraploid LA. The white one is also very nice. And yep, 2 dead stems. And lovely Cyclona. So they look great. And I will have a lot of trumpets this year, fortunately. I really like up-facing trumpets. And the neighbor's dog. And I really like this red stamped, purple flower, the Delosperma. It's a new one. And this is a species Delosperma with the same characteristics, but with white flowers. Amorphophallus is growing nicely, and I have Spirit of America blooming, and cordylinums, and I have this lovely hardy gladioli in flower. I don't know what the cultivar name is because I bought it as a mix. So, and Gonfrena is opening the purple, and I have whites also. So, and I did discard a few flowers of my seedlings because I want them to grow big and have a lot of blooms next year. So lovely Asiatics and Tango hybrids. And the TAs. That would be all for today. Thank you for your attention. See you next time. Goodbye.